4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I will show you how to do a bridge workout at home perfectly. Okay, first of all, you have to lie down straight. Keep your two legs here like this. Then you pump up. So you see 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, this is how you do it effectively and it will enter your body. This is an exercise called bridge exercise. So you can do it at home. So we have our morning routines. We can really do at home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each exercise we are doing it 10. Okay? Stay front. Keep your legs like this. You can see your hands down. Then you push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stationary bridge, yeah. So, guys, what you learn? This is our morning routines videos dropping to you every day. So, guys, make sure you do like, subscribe, share it to your friends.